So I'm a big fan of Gradual's clothes, and I was really excited when they came out with these hiking cargo pants because I'm a big cargo pants fan, and these are really great. These are water resistant, quick drying, lightweight, kind of a tactical pants, but not overly tactical, if you know what I mean. It has enough pockets to satisfy all your needs. And let's take a quick look. So the fit is nice and easy. It's got a lot of room all around. It's not too tight around the ankles. It's just got a classic fit. And the pockets got this nice secured zipper compartment there, so you store away any important gear. And overhead pocket has nice Velcro, which I feel is better than buttons because it's quick, easy access, and it feels secure. And if you want something really secure on the other leg, you got a nice handy zipper and full-size pocket that's not bulging out. It's very seamless, slim type pocket, but yet plenty of room. Nice feeling pockets on sides. It has one pocket in the rear with a nice secured zipper, and all the zippers have a lanyard attached to them that makes it easy to work with one hand. And I just like the fit. The stretch on this fabric is pretty cool. It's nice, lightweight, breathable, quick drying. It's a great summer, fall pair of pants, spring, and it's very durable. I have no issues. This is a great product. Another good one from Gradual.